guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and I'm super stoked for today's video because as you can tell from the title, it's in collaboration with KARINA Gomez here on YouTube. So she's been my friend for like about a year now, and I actually reached out to her when I first started YouTube just because I wanted more YouTube friends to like vent about our everyday struggles as content creators, and I really liked her just because she's Latina, she's a thrifter, and she's located here in LA. But I love her overall persona on her channel, but I'd like to think that we kind of have similar styles. Kind of like we're both great appreciators for color and for prints. She's also very body positive, so she does focus in plus size thrifting. But pretty much, you guys, maybe I should have explained the video. We are swapping mystery bundles. We also sent over each other's Pinterest. I'm new to Pinterest, so it was a little addicting for me. But let me scooch over because I actually want to take you through her Pinterest board so we get an idea of what she's on the hunt for. She did specifically tell me that she is on the lookout for patchwork pieces, brown leather pants, brown crew neck sweater, brown mini dress and skirt, a lot of brown, you guys, a lot of brown, and cutout tops, mesh, swirls, checker print, any funky style of pants, puff sleeves, and then she does say anything brown or green. So those were the things I was really on the hunt for. But let me pull up her Pinterest right over here. And so immediately we are seeing like an exposed back, those cutouts, a halter top, crazy bold prints with the checkerboards, the florals. Okay, now we're moving more into the cutouts with like this little half circle on the waist here. Now we're coming into a textured pieces. Oh, we're running into the swirls that she was looking after. Certain silhouettes that I am seeing, even though she did say mini length, I am seeing a lot of maxi to midi lengths in here. We are coming across a lot of faux fur trims on the collar, the cuffs, the hem. Love that. I do occasionally come across that at the thrift store. But yeah, we're definitely seeing a lot more neutrals with the greens and the browns. And of course, can't forget the leather. It's such a hype right now. So leather jackets, leather pants. So I feel like you guys kind of get an understanding of what she's looking for. It's very trendy. I was kind of scared because this is my first time on Pinterest. Really, the issue that I was having is that these are like hella trendy pieces. So I was thinking, how am I gonna come across these at a thrift store, you know? But let's cross our fingers. Hopefully we run into something good. But now I'm just gonna take you through my little thrifting experience, and then after that, I'm gonna open up the box she sent me. Okay, let's get to it. Okay guys, I just had to take a little break just because I'm feeling a little unmotivated. I'm having a really hard time coming across her measurements, but also pieces that are cute enough and match her Pinterest. Just on the daily, I feel like anytime I am trying to source plus size clothes, it's usually like very granny and outdated. So after this, I'm gonna hit up Goodwill, see if I have any luck there, but I also want to find a pair of shoes for her because she's really digging like chunky boots, like color block boots. So let's keep going. Look at these pants. They have everything. We've got a little bit of leopard. Look at all these rhinestones. Oh, it's just such a shame that they come down into a skinny leg. I haven't worn skinny leg since like middle school. Okay, you guys, here I have the box. So I'll just put up my Pinterest right now as I'm talking and opening this up. But pretty much, I told her that I wanted more of like an alternative mall goth, grunge, gothic type pieces. Just because that's kind of what I've been into lately. I don't know what it is, but I did like or pin, right? Because it's Pinterest. A lot of mesh, red, black, darker colors surprisingly. So she did tell me that besides hitting up thrift stores, she did order a few things online. So I was just like, oh my gosh, I wonder if I like kind of set my expectations too high on Pinterest. Oh my gosh, look at this. She did leave us a little note here, so should I read this now? As I'm reading this, I'm kind of ruining all the pieces for myself, so maybe I'll just like tape this somewhere nearby and I'll read off each little, you know, description she has under each piece. So give me 1 second. Okay guys, I literally have that paper taped to my camera, so let's see what we have. Woo! Oh, more pink. Okay. Ooh, what do we have here? Okay, I'm seeing, is this red or orange? And then I'm seeing a print and a white. Okay, you know what? Let's just get pooling. So the first thing I have here is a red piece. Oh, is this even in order? Okay, no, it's not. So the first thing is a red lace top. It says, red is so your color. I love how vibrant it looks on you. And she noticed that it was a recurring color on my Pinterest. Yes, I absolutely love this. But you guys, look at the front here. It just has this very pretty lace trim and then a lace hem. I love it, so cute. Okay, this next piece here. Oh girl, I don't know about this print. But let's see. Oh, it's a little surplus neck with spaghetti straps. Let's see, which one is this? I think this is the Y2K pink top. She said that it was screaming Y2K to her, but it might be a little out of my comfort zone. Okay, let's just get a better look at this. Maybe I should just put this box on the ground. It's so huge. I was a little hesitant about the print, but you know what? The cut and the silhouette of this is so freaking cute. So it does have a little tie front here, and it is exposed, so it's just like this top that I've showed off before. Yes! So we are showing off a little bit of skin, a little bit of tummy for a more sexy look. Okay, I'm into it. Next piece is white. I am seeing a little bit of eyelets, and this isn't necessarily my style because to me, I immediately go to like, oh, cottagecore, very soft. But she says that I could just grunge this up and juxtapose it with, you know, my darker style that I'm slowly getting into. Let's see. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. What the heck? Okay, you guys, I am a sucker for any smock detailing, and the back is entirely smocked. The waist is here too. So it's very flattering on the body because it just hugs it a bit more. But we do have these cute little like flutter straps. And then we do have a little keyhole cutout here on the front where you can just cinch it as you need. The next piece is this one here. And from what she says, that it might be a tank. Ooh, okay, this is different. But it does have contrast stitching on the neckline and then the sleeves here. And she says that she kind of feels like this top would be seen on Devin Aoki in Fast and the Furious. You guys, is it bad that I don't know who that is? I'll put an image right here of what I find on Google Images because right now I can't make the connection. But imagine wearing this with like a mesh turtleneck long sleeve and leather pants. Ooh, that looks super cute. But let me bring you in closer so we can check out this print. So it does have like a whole bunch of flowers all over. Oh, I think this might be Japanese because of this little architectural element right here. But also this top is so freaking stretchy, so really appreciate that. Next up we have this black skirt right here. Anything that usually has like cargo styles or like this double ring detailing reminds me of like K-pop idol fashion, so I'm here for it. But we've got two patch pockets here on the front, and then it is a faux wrap style, and then we have the double ring waist closure. Pretty cool. Let's talk about this dress though, because she says it's giving her a 90s little black dress moment here, and so we are working with a high neck. Look at the single strap that goes across each strap here and the exposed back. Oh my god, that is so freaking sexy. And I like that it's more of a waist-free silhouette and it's not so bodycon-ish. You guys, she included a corset. Look how cute. It's leopard print. I am a sucker for any animal print. It's red and black. It has boning. It has a cute little scallop trim. And the front does have hook and eye closures, but the back is adjustable with the lace up detail. You guys are not even ready for these shoes. I cannot believe it. Look at this freaking shoe. What the heck? Okay, let's just talk about how it's a lug sole. Anything that's a lug sole I absolutely love. This huge ass platform. Yes, I'm so here for it. And look at these blue straps. Oh my gosh. It's giving me brat dolls. It's giving me height. It's giving me color. Okay guys, that pretty much does it for all the pieces. Now I just want to show you how I'd style them and then just talk about the sizing and the fit. So let's get to it right now. So Karina said grunge it up, and I did that exactly. So lately I've been super obsessed with tiered silhouettes, so I had to pull out this skirt here that just has an all over gingham print, and we're playing to that cottagecore vibe just with a little alternative twist. I also really like the smock detailing, so the skirt also has that, so it's just super flattering on the body. We pulled out the demonias. Oh, you can't even see them. And then a lot of silver jewelry to accessorize. I will admit though, the bust is very big on me, and it just kind of sucks that the straps aren't adjustable because my little A-cup babies were just like, yeah girl, not today. Totally feeling this fit. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Look at this dress. I absolutely love it. I was a little little worried about the length of it, but you know what? It fits me pretty nicely. It's like right above the knee, and I'm surprised that I don't have any little black dresses, like mini dresses in my closet. I do have like midi length slips, but not like a true dress. So it looks super modest from the front, right? Look at this bag. Oh my gosh. I think we could finish it off with a belt or even like a jacket. How about, yeah, let's do this one. This is so freaking cute. I love it. And then again, we've got the demonias. Okay, let's move on to our next one. Hopefully you guys don't get tired of all the black and the demonias, but you guys, look at this fit. I feel so good, so cute. So we are working with that little cargo mini skirt. And because I already had the tights on, I wanted to include a little bit more mesh. So I got this, it's actually a dress, it's not even a top, at an estate, like kind of a estate sale, a house sale. It's like this huge Victorian house here in Los Angeles, and their backyard is full of all these vintage gems. And so I got it for $10, and I thought it was such a steal because it's so freaking unique. Look, maybe I should show you guys. Look at that, isn't that amazing? And then underneath I just have this little vinyl bra that I got from Goodwill. We are working with the top that she said would be a little out of my comfort zone. I was a little iffy about the print, but I mean, after putting it on and after styling it, you guys, I am into it. So maybe I could have done without the little bra underneath, but I kind of like the extra strappiness that it adds. But you guys, let me bring you in a little closer because it is a little surplice neck and then an all over floral print. We have the little tie detail here. It kind of just butterflies out, which makes it super flirty. So decided to go with a little mid to low rise mini skirt that I recently thrifted. It's DKNY, but look at these details because it's a little lace up. And then we have the tights again. It's gonna be a recurring thing with all these fits. I just feel like it pulls everything together. And then, no surprise, my demonias. Yeah, so to me, very alternative, but very feminine at the same time. Okay, let's move on to the next fit. Okay, y'all, we are working with this corset, and now that I'm looking at it, I don't know if I'm feeling this outfit. Usually my go-to with corsets is like a really statement, like leather pant and then some cute boots or heels. But I was like, you know what, let's do something different. So I put this little slip underneath with the tights and my demonias, and I don't know, I don't think I'm liking it. It's not hitting my hips at the right place. But you know what, we'll just make do with what we got. It is definitely cinching in the waist. Underneath the slip is totally lace and it's just sheer construction. So definitely need something over it. So I decided to put the corset over it. And you know what? I kind of like it, kind of don't like it, kind of iffy about it. Let's try a leather jacket. I would prefer something a bit more boxy, but this one has more fitted silhouette to it. Yeah, I feel like with this, it looks a bit better. Where's this strap? Here we go. Kind of looks better. So much black, my goodness. Okay, yeah, kind of here for it. Let's move on to our next fit. So here we have that little lace cami. I will admit, this one does fit a little big. It's a size medium, so the pits right here just come out a little too much for me. So I'm probably gonna include this one in a mystery bundle so that one of you guys can actually snag it if it fits you a little bit better. But it does have a little sheer bodice here, so we do need something underneath. Otherwise, we're gonna have a whole bunch of little nip slips. And then paired it with this really cute pleated mini skirt from Los Angeles Apparel. And of course, no surprise, tights and demonias. Woo! Yeah, this is so freaking adorable. Okay, let's move on to another fit here and let's get out of this. Oh my gosh, you guys, something about a leather pant that just makes me feel so badass and so empowered. So she sent over this top here and I love it. I was a little skeptical about it because I was just like, why does it kind of give me granny vibes, but not in a good way? But now that we have it on and styled, oh yes, I totally love this. So I love that it's sleeveless. It has a little v-neck, the contrast stitching that matches the leather pants perfectly. And then I paired it with some OG Skechers that my sister actually got me. I want to say this is one of the more simpler outfits that we put together, but still here for it. Okay, now we're down to our last fit, so let's get into it. We are down to the last fit now, but it isn't even about this fit. It's actually about these shoes. Okay, let's show them off. I absolutely, that's not very flattering. Okay, how about this? Wait. Here's the shoe. I absolutely love them. They fit pretty nicely, like from toe to heel, pretty dang awesome. The only thing is that these damn straps, so these here where you slip your foot in, are a little too big and loose for me. So maybe I'm gonna have to pair them with some like really fluffy, chunky socks, and of course my tights, just so that we can add more layer to them, because right now I feel like I can trip if I were to like even walk or run in them. But you guys, that pretty much does it for the end of unboxing this mystery bundle from KARINA Gomez. If you liked any of the pieces, let me know in the comments down below. Also, go hit up her channel and her video. I'll leave it linked down below to see what I ended up thrifting for her. Super exciting. I feel like I did pretty damn good, so go check it out. But if you want to follow me throughout the week, I do have an Instagram. I am an Eggy Girl here. And you guys, my mystery bundles are coming back real soon, so go ahead and hit me up on Depop. I am at Tuanel. But huge thanks to KARINA. Thank you so much, girl. I loved all the pieces. It was so much fun styling them. Hopefully you liked all your pieces. Fingers crossed. But as always, I put videos twice a week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!